6, exponent law. Law. Big word. And so what does law mean? Basically, it's the properties. It's these the exponents that have a special natures to itself. Now take a look at 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of 4. So this ended up that you just needed to add the exponent together, becomes 7. Now why? Now y is right here, because 2 to the power of 3 is this 3 of 2's multiplied together, and similar for the 4's, and then together they're 7. Therefore, you just add the exponent, and that's it. So now note, so this has to be the same base. Has to be same base. If some power is like 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of 3, this does not mean you can just multiply this as power of 6 and then add them as 5. This does not equal. You simply do the math, you will know they're not equal. So it has to be the same base, base 2 here. All right? So this is called the product rule, means multiply them together. Then base is same as A. Now exponent, add them together, m plus n. Now dividing. Dividing will be the same logic. Now here we go. Now 3 to the power of 6. So 6 of the 3 multiplied together, divided by 3 to the power of 2. We already knew that we can cancel. And then there's 3 to the power of 4 left. That's also equals to 6 subtract 2. That's 3 to the power of 4. All right. Now base, of course, base does not equal to 0. Then same base, A, and m subtract n. Now quotient means dividing. Now 0 exponent. Now we have already learned that any base, of course, the base is not to 0, because we already talked about 0 to the power of 0 is undefined, right? So now a non-zero base to the power of 0, then that is 1. Y. So let's take a look at y. Y is over here. So now, for example, if it is 5 to the power of 3 divided by 5 to the power of 3, so that equals to 5 multiplied by 5 divided by this. Then you all cancel. Then that is 1. Now, meanwhile, this one, using the quotient rule, that could be rewritten as 3 minus 3. Then that is 5 to the power of 0, and then equals to 1. Well, this is just a combined operation. Now, for example, here, this is the negative 2 to the power of 5. So what we can do is that means that is the positive 2 to the power of 5, right? Because this is odd exponent. That means this number coming out is a negative number. So I can rewrite it into that. And then I have 2 to the power of 3. So in the very end, this is a negative. And then that's a 2 to the power of 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay. Now, these other things, that is, you will do multiplication first. So then that is 3 to the power of 4. Now then plus 3 to the power of 2, because of 5 subtract 3. Well, in this case, there's no rule to multiply anymore. Oh, by the way, I made a mistake. So this is to the 5. Okay, so then that means it's 2. You have to do the exponent first. That's 2, 4, 3. Now plus 9 equals to 2, 5, 2. Well, then we're done. So have fun with these questions. Should not be that difficult.